Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can convert your USDT on the Ton network to toncoin on Bitget wallet. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link in the description, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. And once you create an account on Bybit, you would be getting exclusive access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now let us go ahead and open the Bitget wallet app on the mobile phone. Now once you are here on the Bitget wallet, simply go ahead and click on wallet at the bottom right. And at the start it will be all mainnet, so you will need to go ahead and select Ton. So once again click on this, search for Ton and click on Ton. As you can see, I have around 1.6 USDT in my Bitget wallet right now, which I would be converting some of it to toncoin. So all you have to do is for converting, simply go ahead and click on USDT and then go ahead and click on swap. Now let's say if I want to go ahead and convert 0.2 USDT for toncoin, so I'll simply go ahead and put in 0.2 and it will calculate the best code, and we'll go a bit down, and as you can see we have received the best code from dtas.io. Now dtas is a DeFi protocol on the Ton network, and this will keep on changing depending as per the current market price. And also you will need to consider different factors and different fees. So if you want to go ahead and swap from USDT Ton to toncoin, you will need some toncoin in your Bitget wallet in order to pay the gas fees. And apart from that, there is slippage. Now slippage is the difference between the transaction price and the actual execution price, and it will also depend on the buying and selling tax if there is any for a specific coin or token. And liquidity also affects the slippage, so you want the slippage as low as possible. Now let's say if some of the coin or token have around 10% buying and selling tax, then in this case you will need to go ahead and change the slippage. So simply go ahead and click on this and go in manual, and over here you can go ahead and put manual slippage. For example, if the buying and selling tax is 10%, so I will go ahead and put 10, or else if it's more than that, then you can go ahead and put 15. Now it will give a warning that the current slippage setting is too high and may result in a financial loss. So in this case we have sufficient liquidity and there is no buying and selling tax, and the slippage price is not much, so we'll go ahead and click on auto and keep it at 3%. Now there is something called as price impact. So price impact meaning you would be getting lesser than the actual amount. So let's say if you are swapping 0.2 USDT, you would be getting 0.2% less when you go ahead and swap this. Now there is minimum swap amount. So once you swap, you would be getting this minimum amount of toncoin in your Bitget wallet. And then there is transaction fee, which is 0.3%. Now the transaction fee on non-custodial wallets will be on the higher side, and especially on the Bitget wallet. So if you are swapping a larger amount, I would suggest is using a centralized exchange to do your basic swaps. Now let us go ahead and confirm this transaction. So it might take some time for the transaction to load up. And now we'll go and click on confirm. Now it will detect my face. And as you can see, now the order is submitted. Now we can also go ahead and click on check my orders at the bottom. So let us go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, they have estimated how much time it will take for the swap to be completed. So it will take around 20 seconds. Now there are some other details also. So this swap has taken place on dtas.io and price of 1 USDT is 0.212 Ton at the time of making this video. Transaction fee is 0.3%, and this is my receiving address, and they have also mentioned the creation date and the time, and this is the order number and this is the transaction ID. Now what you can do is you can go a bit back and once again go a bit back and keep refreshing this. At times it might take around 1 to 2 minutes, or if there is a network load, it can take up to 3 hours also for the transaction to be completed. So you have to exercise patience with regards to swapping in between tokens on a non-custodial wallet. And this is how you can go ahead and convert your USDT to toncoin on the Bitget wallet. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.